Let me explain. Okay, what we have here, this is the bottom plate of your door. So this is not removed until all your bottom plate is fixed on the either side of the door. And now what Daniel's doing is cutting out the bottom plate. Off you go. Now there's two ways to do this. You can cut halfway through before you stand it, but you must always be very careful that you don't scratch your flooring. That's why Daniel did the short little saws at the end. Just always make sure you're hard up against that stud when you saw.